Welcome back, Cyber Explorers. It's Alfie, and in this video we'll explore together with this step-by-step guide, how to hide or unhide files and folders in Windows 11. So without further ado, let's get right into it. Right-click the file or folder you want to hide, then click on Properties. In the General tab, go to the Attributes section and check the Hidden option, then click on Apply and OK. To unhide the file or folder, make sure the option Show Hidden Files, Folders, and Drives is chosen in the File Explorer options. Our video on how to show or hide hidden files in Windows 11 might help you. The link is in the description below. Right-click the file or folder you want to unhide, then click on Properties. In the General tab, go to the Attributes section and uncheck the Hidden option, then click on Apply and OK. And that's it for today. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, consider subscribing, and don't forget to activate the notification bell so you won't miss out on any new uploads. Thank you for watching, and I can't wait to share more with you. So, until next time, see you later.